Good morning, children. I am here with the new lesson, page number 95, the political science, first chapter, meaning and the importance of the political science. So here you simultaneously watch the video and use the textbook also. Page number 95. I hope you all have held the textbook with you. So in this lesson, the meaning and importance of political science. What are the things we study means the concept of political science, the purpose of development in the political science, the political thinkers and their contribution, the importance of the political science. These are the concept we are going to study in this video. Okay. So here children, I have a question for you. You have studied the history. So first lesson we completed in history, second also we completed, right? Yes, children, by studying the history we have learnt, we came to know about the past events, what are the good and bad decisions have been taken from our ancestors, their contributions, everything we discussed through the history, right? Here also the political sciences. So what are the basic things, what are the main important things we study we will come to know by studying the political science means, children. So this political science is a part of a social science, likewise geography, history and economics, sociology, civics, everything we study, the same here also one part in the social science, that is political science. So totally what is the political science means, it is a study of the political activities of a man. And also in continuation it studies the origin and the nature of the state. That means, children, when the state has been started and the relationship between the man, government and the state, everything we discuss in this class. Okay. As a subject of study, the political science began with the Greeks. That means the political science, this word we have heard, it is being used by the Greek people at first. Okay, that means this Greek people only at first has been studied about this political science. Okay. So in the examination, I may ask the question like who has started the study of the political science at first means you have to answer like Greeks or the Greek people. Okay. Children, not only these people, the Egyptian, Babylonians, Persians, Indians, and the Chinese also have been used this word before, but they have not studied it a systematic way. Okay, but these Greek people have studied about the political science in a systematic and a scientific manner, so that the people of the Greeks is considered as the first people who studied about the political science as a systematic way. Okay. In Greek only, who are the important philosophers who studied deeply about the political science means, children? Plato, Aristotle, Socrates. These are the Greek philosophers who studied, who contributed a lot for the political science. Here Socrates is a teacher of Plato. This Plato has written the Republic related to the political. Here this book Republic, which is written by Plato, it gives more information about the functions of the state government, children. Children, one thing we have to understand here, a state means in our language it is a Karnataka state particularly, right? But in political science, these Greek philosophers use the state word for whole the country. Okay na? So whole country na ಈ Greek philosophers ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ನೀವು. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? So the Plato's famous book Republic gives more information about the functions of the state government. State government ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is not only about Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, like that. It is all it applicable for the whole country. Okay, this much must be clear. Next, about Aristotle, the another philosopher or another political thinker. This Aristotle is basically from the Greek only. Okay, next he is a student of the Plato. Understanding? So the Socrates, he is a guru. The Socrates student is Plato. Plato's student is Aristotle. He is only recognized as a father of political sciences. So political science the father ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ what should be your answer? That is the Greek political thinker Aristotle. So this Aristotle has written the first treatise in political science called the Politics. ಸೊ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಬುಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಆರಿಜಿನ್, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. Next about the Kautilya, he is also a great thinker. He has written the book Economics. In this book Economics, it gives more information about the political principles. ಸೊ ಕೌಟಿಲ್ಯ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹವನು ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೀಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕರೆದ್ರು. ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡಿಂದ ಈ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಪಾಲಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸಿಟಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್. This politic word which is used by the Greek only, in the modern days we are using, children, we are using as a political science. Okay, this much is clear, right? So mainly what are the things we are going to study in the political science means, children, the origin. That means the basic of political science. So ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ನೇಚರ್, ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ activities, everything is studied in the political science. Okay, now we will go to the next point, the importance of political science. Nowadays children, this knowledge of political science, it is very important, it is very essential for us, for today's generation. Why? Because we are only selecting our leaders, right? So that we must have the knowledge of the government at first, isn't it? So that through the political science we have the knowledge, we will get the knowledge about the birth and the growth of the state. State means about a country, and also it provides many information about the types of government. There are several kinds of the government, right? Democratic government is there, communist government is there, presidential government is there. So by studying the political science we will have the knowledge of all the type of government. Okay, but that is why it is very important to study about the political science. Understanding, children? The next point, it provides the information about the origin and the development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and peace, etc. Suppose we do not have the knowledge of political science, means how do we know about the meaning of law? How do we know about the meaning of justice, freedom? We are unable to understand the meaning of this one, right? So we are living in our country means we must have the knowledge about this type of words or this type of concepts, right? So by the knowledge of political science we will have the knowledge of all these things, like good government ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ವಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗಳದ್ದು ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳೇನು, ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಗಳಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಿಂದ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. And also it provides the information about the structures and functions of the state and government. Functions of government means the duties which is done by the leaders is studied in the political science. Moreover children, this political science gives more information about our constitution, and also by studying the political science it helps us to understand the functions of the different organs of the government, which are the three organs of the government: legislature, executive, judiciary. ಈ ಮೂರು ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನೇನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜನ್ನು, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ representatives or the leaders. By the knowledge of this political science we will come to know about the parties, next the local bodies of the government. ಸೊ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಲಜಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್, ವೈ ದ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್, ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್. In a society we need the knowledge of the political science. So this is the reason why we study the political science. Understanding, children? Okay, now I will stop here. The fill in the blanks. See, the word politics was derived from the Greek word polis. Use the textbook and answer these questions, children. Republic is written by Plato. Next, the third question. Aristotle wrote a book on political science and it is called as The Politics. Next, Kautilya's work relating to a political science is Arthashastra or Economics. ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. This is the work you have to do. Write and send it to me. Next, we will meet you with another video. Thank you.